Getting my point? And how do they started coming? They will, I said, अब यहां पर लो प्रेशर है और लो प्रेशर से विंड की स्पीड थोड़ी सी तेज होने लग जाएगी. So instead of going like this, they will started what? They will started what? Deflecting towards right in the northern hemisphere. So it will start circulating. Yes or not? So circulation starts or not? Along this low pressure center. Circulation will, if I said that यहां से circulation ऐसे होने लगा, हुआ? Yes or not? और ये क्या बन गया? Yes, tell me. Just one small low pressure. Just one small. Understood? What is the first factor I talked about? Tell me. Large supply of warm water. Means sea surface temperature should be 26.5 degrees Celsius more till the depth of. Second, presence of group of violet. Third, upper air diagram. Fourth, I said that presence of ITCZ and Coriolis force. And in the northern hemisphere, suppose करो, this is an equatorial pressure belt, equator. And I said that अब sun ऊपर गया तो equatorial, this ITCZ will be like this, ऊपर चला गया. और यहीं पर I said that ये जैसे suppose I said that here it is low pressure center और यहीं पर क्या आ गया? So ITCZ हो जाएगा. तो ITCZ is itself a low pressure or not? ITCZ is itself a low pressure or not? So presence of ITCZ make tropical disturbance into depression. Make tropical disturbance into depression. Presence of, yes, presence of ITCZ, yes, further it will make more low pressure, intensified low pressure, and then it will convert into what? Tell me fast. Depression. So it has converted into what? Depression. So ये विंड को और तेजी से अट्रैक्ट करेगा, करेगा. And then there is a north, this is in a southeast trade wind will cross, and there is a northeast trade wind, this is a southeast trade wind, and when it is coming, and it is also coming with the fastest speed because it is very low pressure, and when it is coming, they are coming with the lots of moisture. Understood? Coming with the lots of. तो ये क्या बन गया? This depression, low pressure will become what? This is the low pressure. ये low pressure जब बना, I said so wind is moving like this, yes or not? और जब ये low pressure और ज़्यादा बना, that is a weak tropical disturbance. Now tropical disturbance, wind पहले क्या हो रहा था? Yes, tell me first. weak tropical disturbance में क्या हो रहा था? It is moving like this. तो सर्किल ऐसा था. जहां तक wind is not able to reach, wind is not able to reach. यदि ये low pressure है, the wind यहाँ नहीं पहुंच सकता. Because due to Coriolis force, it will start. और जहां तक नहीं पहुंच पा रहा है, that becomes one small low pressure center. Yes or not? After certain traveling, the wind keep on deflecting, and that region where it is not able to reach, it becomes what? Weak tropical disturbance. Further it becomes, I said that थोड़ी सी low pressure और बढ़ गया, and wind की speed बढ़ गई, और wind speed will increase with more Coriolis force. So more deflection. तो पहले ऐसे देखेंगे. तो यहाँ तक नहीं पहुँच पा रहा है. It means it become one of the low pressure center. Where it is not able to, it keep on deflecting, then this region is becoming low pressure center. Further, जब ये ITCZ में आ गया तो that started fast moving, and then what I said that northeast trade wind and southeast trade wind started converging faster with lots of moisture, and then what happened? It started that become the eye of the cyclone, where the wind is not able to reach, and that circular part is known as what? Eye of the cyclone. Then depression has been created, and when that, who has created depression? ITCZ, presence of ITCZ over disturbance. Disturbance create कर दिया था ना आपने. Who has created disturbance? Upper air divergence. Presence of group of island has created weak tropical disturbance. Upper air divergence has created what? Disturbance. And presence of ITCZ has made it depression, more low pressure. And then there is a northeast trade wind, and ITCZ itself in a what? Convergence zone of northeast trade wind and southeast trade wind. And this northeast trade wind and southeast trade wind started moving faster, carrying more moisture, and more moisture led to the what? More latent heat condensation and more low pressure. And more low pressure means wind will move more faster, and when the next time wind will move more faster, then more Cornish force means more deflection, means eye of the cyclone will further increase. इसका मतलब as much moisture will be there, that much low pressure I will become keep on enlarging. और जितना enlarging होगा, and then what happen? अब ये wind तो यहाँ पहुँच रहे, लेकिन जा कहाँ रहे हैं? They will not be able to reach to the center, and then they keep on what? Circulating in the anti-clockwise and started moving upward. Yes, understood? It means if it is an eye, the wind started what? Anti-clockwise circulation started moving upward. समझ में आ गया? I said in the presence of ITCZ, it converted into disturbance, converted into depression, and further attracted what? More moisture. Northeast trade wind, southeast trade wind started converging with very high speed, and when it started converging with very high speed, they contributing more moisture, and more moisture led to the more low pressure, and then wind high force making it to deflect more rightward, and the region where the wind is not able to reach, that region, circular region, become eye of the cyclone, and then wind started rising up around the eye of the cyclone in which anti-clockwise fashion in the northern hemisphere, and when it started keep on rising up, it becomes what? Cumulonimbus cloud, and where it is circulating along the eye, it is known as eye wall. It is known as what? समझ में आया? Where it is circulating around the eye, it becomes eye wall. अब क्या लोगे? हो तो गया cyclone. Understood it? Yes. And more moisture, cyclone become, eye become large and large. और जब eye large क्यों होगा? Speed of the wind is, and this is I said that 200 km per hour, and the speed, more low pressure contributing, it started more deflection, and the eye of the cyclone will become, and then speed will become 220 km per hour. Yes or not? And what does it mean? Super. Getting my point? If the moisture content is very high, low pressure becoming more, ITCZ is effective, so it will lead to the formation of, just tell me, super cyclone. And if the speed exceeds 230 km per hour, super typhoon. समझ में आ चुका है? What is the first factor? Large supply of warm waters. Second, I said प्रेजेंस ऑफ, रट जाना चाहिए यार, प्रेजेंस ऑफ ग्रुप ऑफ, सेकंड फैक्टर, थर्ड फैक्टर, ये होना जरूरी है या नहीं? नहीं तो फिर क्या होगा? साइक्लोन बोलेगा मैं तो फिर लो प्रेशर लेकर ऊपर जा ही नहीं पा रहा हूँ मैं। सो आई सेड दैट क्यों अपर एयर डाइवर्जेंस it will further attract and make weak tropical disturbance to developed tropical disturbance. Thereafter I said that, and presence of ITCZ has made it depression, because it is more intensified low pressure, so further intensified, and it become which? Depression. And depression started attracting other moisture, and northeast trade wind, southeast trade wind faster, and southeast trade wind crossing the equator, reaching it to what? And contributing more moisture led to the more latent heat of conditions and more low pressure, and then slowly started deflecting more rightward, and then not able to reach to the center, and that circular center become eye, and then wind keep on rising up in the form of cumulonimbus cloud around the eye. It is known as eye wall, where the wind speed is very high, and there is a cumulonimbus cloud, and cumulonimbus cloud provides heavy and torrential rainfall. Heavy and eye of the cyclone will be warm and calm. वहाँ तो wind ही नहीं पहुँच रहा. Eye of the cyclone will be what? Warm and calm. Understood it? Clear? Next I said Stirling wave. Which wave? ये जो ऊपर जा रहा है तो ये रीजन गर्म हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा है? मॉइस्चर, और गर्म हो रहा है तो इसका मतलब आई एम वार्मर देन सराउंडिंग मींस व्हाट? इनस्टेबिलिटी, सेवन फैक्टर यही है ना, जितना कोई गर्म होते जाएगा इट विल कीप ऑन, यही तो पहला फैक्टर समझा है. सो एटमॉस्फेरिक इनस्टेबिलिटी, तो ऑलरेडी वी हैव डन दैट. I said Stirling wave. What is this? ITCZ. Yes, tell me what is this? ITCZ. ITCZ पे क्या होता है? नॉर्थ ईस्ट ट्रेड विंड, सॉरी साउथ ईस्ट ट्रेड विंड कन्वर्जेस, एंड यहाँ पे हाई हीटिंग होता है, एंड देन वार्म एयर गोज अपवर्ड. Warm air goes upward. तो क्या जरूरी है कि सभी जगह से सेम अमाउंट ऑफ वार्म एयर विल गो? Just tell me, same amount of warm air will go? No. यहाँ से कम गया और यहाँ से ज़्यादा गया, तो who will be high pressure? First reason से मैंने बोला less warm air goes up, and then second reasons more warm air goes. So who will be high pressure? First, and it will be what? Low pressure. And it is the convergence zone of northeast trade wind. and अब ये साइक्लोन बना हुआ है, तो यहाँ पर एक विंड स्टार्टेड मूविंग विद इन द ITCZ. हु इज मूविंग? विंड. और ये विंड वो बहुत बड़ा है और ये ऐसे जा रहा है. विंड इज मूविंग लाइक दिस. तो ये साइक्लोन को क्या करेगा? स्टार्टेड, आई सेड दैट, पुशिंग वेस्टवर्ड, कमिंग फ्रॉम द ईस्ट. इट इज एन ईस्टर्ली वेव. ये कौन सा विंड हो गया? एंड दे स्टार्टेड व्हाट? पुशिंग. इट स्टार्टेड पुशिंग साइक्लोन विच डायरेक्शन? ईस्ट टू west. In which direction? East to west. Understood it? कैसे हुआ? क्यों हुआ? High pressure, low pressure within the ITCZ, which has created what? Stirling. What is the why I am saying Stirling? It is coming from east. And then cyclone किधर से किधर move करता है? Tropical cyclone. East to west. Understood that? And who is making it to move? ईस्टर्ली वेव. गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? यस. और बुक्स क्या लिखता है? अंडर द इफेक्ट ऑफ नॉर्थ ईस्ट ट्रेड विंड एंड साउथ ईस्ट ट्रेड विंड साइक्लोन मूव्स ईस्ट टू वेस्ट. ये तो एक फैक्टर के लिए बताया, जो नहीं लिखता वो ध्यान से सुनो. इफ आई सेड दैट दिस इज इंडिया और यहाँ पर ये है, लेकिन इंडिया का ये बहुत लो प्रेशर हो गया, तो अब ये हाई प्रेशर बोलेगा मैं इस लो प्रेशर बदमाश की तरफ नहीं जाऊंगा, इट इज मोर बदमाश. यस और नॉट? तो ये तो चालू बंदा है. अंडरस्टूड? आप लोग इंडिया करते समय भी याद होगा मैं क्या बोलता हूँ, साइक्लोनिक वेव, इधर लो प्रेशर स्टार्टेड मूविंग. सो आई सेड दैट where the cyclone gets more low pressure, the cyclone started along this direction.